could be lying and tell you you're fine. I could be lying the rest of the night, but I won't do it. No, no way. I'm saying so.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all staying safe and well. Today's video is going to be a quick morning clean with me. I had woke up a little bit earlier than everybody else and I needed to get some cleaning done before everybody woke up. So I didn't clean the night before after dinner, so I had quite a bit of things to do. So if you'd like to get some cleaning motivation and watch me clean, then please keep on watching. So of course, the first thing that I did was make myself a nice hot cup of coffee, and I have really been liking making my own instant coffee rather than my Keurig. I don't know why, I just feel like it tastes so much better and smoother. And then I moved on to the living room, and I didn't have much to pick up because the boys and my husband have been really good about helping me pick up during the week, so I didn't have a lot like I usually do. And like I've said before, I have to place our coffee table to block off the entertainment center because Luna loves to touch the Xbox and all the things that we have here. I still need to try to figure out how to make it so that she can't get the Xbox, but for the most part, she just is so intrigued by it.
You ain't got enough of this fever, I know, I know.
And then here I am putting the coffee table back where it should be, but as soon as Luna wakes up, she's on the go and the coffee table will be back by the entertainment center.
You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you up, meet you at the end. Don't you know what happens to dreams you don't follow? They crumble. You know I can't stay what you get.
So now that my water is boiling, I'm just making myself a nice hot cup of coffee, and I've been using the Maxwell instant coffee. It's been my favorite so far, and I love my coffee piping hot. It's seriously the one thing that I look forward to every morning is my nice hot cup of coffee. And then once I have that made, I am going off, and as you know, I love to start off on my center island when I start cleaning my kitchen.
I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you at the end.
And for my countertops, I'm using the Method Antibac in the bamboo scent.
I wanna love you, but life doesn't wait. You can see and waste away. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up. I'll meet you at the. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you up. Meet you at the end.
And now I'm just going to put all the clean dishes away and start off cleaning the sink and then washing the many dishes that I had.
I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest, it was for the better.
Usually I will wash the dishes, or my husband will wash the dishes before we go to bed, but the night before he got home pretty late from work and we ended up just sitting on the couch watching a movie and fell asleep. So that's why I have all these dishes left over from the night before.
Tonight I'm struggling, reminiscing about our good times, the good days, but good wasn't the only perspective of all the days that we had, we lost it. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a lifelong celebration. Go ahead.
And then I wanted to clean my cupboards because, like I said, since they are white, they get dirty fairly easily. And since the boys are always opening and closing them, their little fingerprints, and sometimes they have food on their fingers or candy and they're sticky. So then it makes the cupboard sticky. So I really wanted to get these clean.
Now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh.
And then by this time, everybody was starting to wake up, so I had to hurry up, and the last thing I did was just sweep and mop the house.
False advertising, you were not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. Ain't no fun recognizing your mistakes. Got me like ooh, feeling so ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from my savior. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video and found some motivation from it. If you did like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know to continue to film these for you guys. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, if you can please hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you guys again. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.